I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Hey everyone, I'm Jessica, and welcome to the beautiful fisherman's village of Cangas in Spain. In this video, I'll take you on a day tour of the village and its surrounding beaches. I hope you enjoy it and click the like button and leave a comment if you do. We start off from the entrance of the village and take a walk along the beach and pier. The view is simply stunning. You can see the boats moored in the harbor and the shoreline in the distance. The air is filled with the sound of seagulls and the distant sound of waves. We then explore the old streets, filled with the unmistakable character and essence of a fishing village. Traditional houses and churches stand side by side, and the narrow alleyways are lined with shops, boutiques, cafes, and bars, a perfect place to find a bite to eat. From there, we take a hike up the nearby hill, with beautiful views of the ocean and the village below. We continue on foot and eventually reach one of the nearby beaches, a paradise of golden sand and crystal waters. It's really breathtaking. After a few hours spent swimming, sunbathing, and relaxing, we make our way back to the village, taking in it all one last time before we say goodbye. Thanks for joining me for this journey, and I hope you enjoyed it. Click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and don't forget to share with your friends. Until next time.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.